In this video, I'll show you how you can send Bitcoin from Binance over to another wallet. I'll show you how you can do it on Exodus, but it varies for different wallets, but it is roughly the same thing. So what you need to do is go ahead and log into your Binance account. Once you're logged in, go to Wallet and then Fiat and Spot. That will take you into your wallet where you can see all of your different cryptocurrencies. Now, Bitcoin might be the first or last one. It depends how much Bitcoin you've got into your wallet. If you can't find it, just go ahead and search for BTC and then it should appear. Now, I don't have any Bitcoin in this wallet, but I'll show you how you would do it anyway. So once you've found Bitcoin, make sure it is Bitcoin and not BTC down. Go to withdraw, then make sure Bitcoin is selected. Then go ahead and get your address of your wallet you want to transfer it to. So in this case, I'm using Electrum. I can then go to my wallets here. I can then go and click on receive on Bitcoin. Then I can copy my Bitcoin address. I can then paste that into here. And you can see that it recognizes that it's the Bitcoin network. We can then choose the amount of Bitcoin we want to send. Obviously, you can only send as much as you've got. Once you're happy with that, click on withdraw. For me, I can't withdraw because I haven't got any Bitcoin in the account. But you will click withdraw. You will then confirm that you're happy with that withdrawal. And then once you've sent it, the money will then be in your wallet within around 10 to 30 minutes. It depends